Hi everyone, we are in Chilton, Texas, a very tiny town. It's a busy road right here, so hopefully you can hear me fine. I'm using a mic, maybe that might muffle some of that road noise, but yeah, really not much to this town. It just has a couple of buildings that are interesting. This one to begin with, which is now a resident of a Mexican food truck with menudo and burritos, quesadillas, and elotes. And we got a nice little building right here. Not sure what's going on with here. You got the, it's the Iglesia Cristiana Rosa de Cerrón Church. Okay. And you got a derelict building right here. I bet you that building does not have a roof. This is a farming community, so we've got these rice dryers right there. Well, rice dryers, but grain dryers to be more specific. And we got this lone building right here, which has two soda machines. They take their soda serious in Chilton. And we got Hometown Cafe. Got a relatively new building right there. I guess they're not open on Sundays, so, but maybe this is where everybody eats. But they have good burgers. All right, everyone. This is Chilton, Texas. Thanks for joining me on this little quick walk through. And remember, you're all dearly loved. Iglesia Cristiana Rosa de Cerrón. Rolls off the tongue. See you, everyone.